On October 18, 1926, in St. Louis, Missouri, the legendary father of rock and roll, Chuck Berry, was born. Before the fame, Berry worked in factories, dreaming of a new sound that would bring rhythm and blues to the mainstream. His big break came in 1955 after a fateful meeting with blues icon Muddy Waters, who introduced him to Leonard Chess of Chess Records. The resulting track, Maybellene, rocketed to #1 on the R&B charts, selling over 1 million copies and forever changing American music. With hits like Johnny B. Goode, Roll Over Beethoven, and rock and roll music, Berry electrified audiences and inspired generations. The Beatles, the Rolling Stones, and the Beach Boys all built on the foundation he laid. Bob Dylan called him the Shakespeare of rock and roll, and John Lennon once said, "If you tried to give rock and roll another name, you might call it Chuck Berry." His signature guitar riffs, storytelling lyrics, and showmanship defined an era of pop culture. In 1986, he became the very first inductee into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Rolling Stone ranked him among the 100 greatest artists of all time, and the Kennedy Center honored him in 2000. When NASA launched the Voyager into deep space in 1977, among Bach and Beethoven was Berry's Johnny B. Goode, ensuring his sound would travel beyond the stars. Chuck Berry didn't just play rock and roll, he invented it.